Welcome back to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Our topic is a photograph from the book Hornbill. Now let's see what is the main theme of the poem. The theme of the poem Photograph is loss, memory and the transience of life. It explores how people may die, but in a strange way they continue to live on, in the form of memories. These memories are not just restricted to one's head, but can also attain a tangible form such as photographs. Short explanation of the poem. Poem or photograph is a tribute to her mother. The poem describes three stages in the passage of the time. In the first stage, the photograph shows the poet's mother standing at the beach enjoying her holiday with her two girl cousins. She was around 12 years old at that time. The second stage takes us 20 or 30 years later. The mother would laugh at the way she and her cousins were dressed up for the beach holiday. In the third stage, the poet remembers the dead mother with a heavy heart. The photograph revives a nostalgic feeling in the poet. The most important part of every poem is poetic devices. So now let's see what are the poetic devices of the chapter. First is alliteration. Stood still to smile. S is repeating. Terribly transient. T is repeating. Silence silences. S is repeating. Next is transferred appetite. Washed their terribly transient feet. Oxymoron labored ease personification. It silence silences. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our efforts. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.